It's a rainy day. Oh, we got some work going on. Hey, so yeah, I talked about wire before, right? I went on to Amazon and I went to get 16 gauge wire. Let me tell you, that was more like 22 gauge on the outside diameter. So I'm going back to the 99-cent store, 5 times the price, but still cheaper than the 16 gauge wire that I bought. What gives? Should I go to another 99-cent store? Yeah, it was like $6 for the same exact wire. So I'm going to go back before they get sold out. That's what I do with my change. Put it on your elbow and catch it. On your elbow and catch it. Remember the days you used to do that? How many you could stack up and try to catch? Can you catch more than one? I can't even catch one. My trouble is with my arm, I can't get my wrist to go like so, and I have to do it right-handed. And let me see, you could try that with, you know, that issue. But I can if I wanted to, if I take the time. So we're almost there. Oh man, I smell chicken soup. I'll do that again for the camera. And I caught it. Always see one, do one, teach one. I have 50, 25, 75 feet. Didn't need the 25, but I got more in the house. And this will give me just enough to do what I want, the 50 feet. And the 25, you know, just in case I need that extra. So I got my stuff. I wish I would have got another 50 footer, but they're all sold out. They have plenty of 25 footers. Half price. Oh yeah, $2 or $4. You get it. I watched the video. It's about the small rig, WC Wave 1, and yeah, I got no use for it right now. But when my camera comes in, I may have some use for it, definitely indeed. I got a Type-C right now, and I just can't get it to hook up to my laptop. And that's a Windows 7. Go figure on that, man. Go figure on a Windows 11 laptop. That's it for this daily vlog, man. It's nasty weather. I got stuff to do. Little projects to keep me busy, like you. On that note, I'm Fish, and I catch on my other vlogs to come.